A new era of protection and vulnerability. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the cybersecurity landscape, transforming the way we approach threat detection, anomaly detection, and adversarial attacks. While AI has the potential to significantly enhance our defenses, it also presents new challenges and vulnerabilities that cybercriminals are eager to exploit. Here, we'll delve into the impact of AI on cybersecurity, exploring both its benefits and limitations. AI-powered threat detection. Machine learning algorithms have become a crucial component in modern cybersecurity systems. These algorithms are designed to analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and anomalies that might indicate a potential threat. AI-powered threat detection systems can quickly identify and respond to known threats, reducing the time it takes to detect and contain an attack. This rapid response is critical in today's fast-paced digital environment, where attacks can spread rapidly across networks. For instance, AI can be used to analyze network traffic, identifying unusual patterns that might indicate a malicious activity. This can include detecting unusual login attempts, unusual file transfers, and unusual network behavior. AI can also be used to analyze system logs, identifying potential security breaches or unauthorized access. Anomaly detection and AI. Anomaly detection is another area where AI has made significant strides. Anomaly detection involves identifying data that does not conform to expected patterns or behavior. In the context of cybersecurity, anomaly detection is crucial in identifying potential threats that might not be known or recognized by traditional security systems. AI-powered anomaly detection systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying unusual patterns or behavior that might indicate a potential threat. This can include identifying unusual network traffic, unusual system behavior, or unusual user behavior. Adversarial attacks and AI. However, AI is not without its limitations. Adversarial attacks, where attackers manipulate AI systems to achieve their goals, are becoming increasingly common. For instance, attackers can use AI to generate malware that is designed to evade detection by machine learning algorithms. This is known as an evasion attack. Another type of attack is data poisoning, where attackers manipulate the training data used to develop machine learning models. This can cause the models to make incorrect predictions or misclassify data, potentially leading to security breaches. The future of AI in cybersecurity. The future of AI in cybersecurity is promising, but it also presents significant challenges. As AI becomes more prevalent in cybersecurity systems, it is essential to ensure that these systems are robust and resilient to potential attacks. To achieve this, cybersecurity professionals must stay ahead of the curve, continuously monitoring and updating their AI-powered systems to ensure they remain effective against evolving threats. Additionally, it is crucial to develop AI systems that are transparent and explainable, allowing security professionals to understand how they make decisions and identify potential biases or vulnerabilities. Conclusion: AI has transformed the cybersecurity landscape, offering powerful tools for threat detection, anomaly detection, and adversarial attacks. However, AI also presents significant challenges and vulnerabilities that cybercriminals are eager to exploit. To stay ahead of these threats, cybersecurity professionals must continuously monitor and update their AI-powered systems, ensuring they remain effective against evolving threats. AI is a double-edged sword in cybersecurity. While it offers significant benefits, it also presents significant challenges and vulnerabilities. Stay safe, stay secure, and as we move forward in this new era of AI-powered cybersecurity, it is essential to stay vigilant and adapt to the evolving landscape of threats and vulnerabilities. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.